how to turn on more activity about your email notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on more activity about your email notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now click these three lines in top corner and go down until you find settings and then notifications, and here you will find more activity about you. Click on it and then just turn email on, and that's how to turn on more activity about your email notifications on Facebook Lite. Now just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.